Nice. Sasa nataka tufanye unboxing na installation. Muone vile mtaifanya, then after that to discuss kidogo, then I get to it. Kama mnaelewa. Nice. Sasa hii ni afanya nini? Ndio kigonga chini at least utapata machine bado iko intact. Haya. Sasa hapa you see this one? This one is made up of fluorescent tubes. This one is made up of fluorescent tubes. There are 4, and you can adjust. You can have either 1 or 2 lights. For this one, you get a blue light. The blue light here is used to treat neonatal jaundice. You know what neonatal jaundice is? Yes. Yes. We say that during the breakdown of red blood cells, they are usually yellow pigments derived from the hemoglobin. So sometimes the baby liver is not well developed. Okay. So unapata instead of those uncoagulated bilirubin is not excreted, so they are deposited in the skin. Unapata mtoto ako yellow in the skin and in the eyes. So you need a therapy. You need a mechanism of ensuring that you are breaking down the bilirubin so that it becomes soluble, and then it can be excreted either by the liver, by the kidney, so that now it is eliminated and the baby is okay. Usually low levels of bilirubin is not harmful, but ikienda sana, then it becomes toxic. Okay? Toxic to the baby. So to treat that, you need a phototherapy
machine.
Okay?
Yes.
This is one of them. Okay? So bilirubin, when subjected to a blue light, visible light, either blue or green, then it initiates that biochemical reaction. Okay? It breaks down the bilirubin, becomes soluble, then it can then be eliminated by excretion. Okay? So here is a phototherapy machine. So they come in parts, so you need to ensure that you are installing them. There is a manual, and here we have fuses. Okay, just in case if the fuses are blown, you can be able to change it. Fuse unaenda hapa, unaona hapa, hapa. Yeah, so unainua hii, then unaweka fuse. Usually it comes with a tool. So hii ni a stand. Adjust the height. Okay. So this one is slotted in here. So you fasten it so that you can be able to slide. Ukitaka na unataka unafanya nini? Unafunga. So there is the base here. With the casters, unfortunately this one does not have a braking system, so it is not a good design.
Yes.
So there is the base. And usually it comes with Allen keys. So you start with this. This is the power cord. See here? Yeah, the Allen keys. Alafu hapa kuna screws. So actually this one goes, where does this one go? Chini eh? Ndio ukiweka hii inazuia screws ndio hizo uchafu ama maji isiingie. Ikiingia what happens? Yes. Yeah. Okay. So unaweza itoa kwanza ndio uweze kuifunga vizuri. So you have this. Okay? Hii inatanguli. Kwa nini itanguli?
Washa. Sasa washa.
Ni washa, yes, lakini sasa kazi yake inafanya. Tulisema tunaanza na kando kando, sio? And you make sure it is moving freely wakati unafunga. So if you want to make it tight, then there is this. You can do it. You can do it this way. Okay. Kama unataka extra force, you do it this way. Okay. Let me not tighten it hard. So there are these two. Then you can now slide this one. Inafunga vizuri, si ndio? Then from there, bring this one, and then this one comes next. You know that hii kitu itakaa hapa, si ndio? So huwezi kuweka hivi. So unaweka hivi. Then you can use this one to secure it in position so that it does not slide. Then you go here. Okay? You go here. So to secure the lamp or the phototherapy units on this, then you're going to use these two. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So kuna nini ziko hapa? Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I need a helping hand. So there. Ikiwa kuja ishini hapo. Na ukiangusha useme ni kama kuna shamba, sio? Kuuza. Nice one, isn't it? Yeah. And then you secure using this one, eh? And then tighten tunatumia hii, ndio? You need a plier to hold it on this side. I can just do it that way. It's okay. Thank you. See number here?
Yes.
Then from power cords, so this one is using the AC power cord. Yeah. From there, so we can comfortably take this one around here. Anasahau. So you put it here. Yeah. Actually, you usually require a protective. Yes. So ilikuwa imewashwa kone. So you see there are two switches. One natengeneza tu ya katikati sio. The other one nafanya ya sides. But if you want the intensity to be higher, you switch on the two sphere. The higher the intensity, the faster the rate of breaking down the little bits there. Another thing about this thing is that you can adjust this. See that?
Yes.
In a protective case, so you can adjust it. Then there is a timer here. So there's a timer here. When you are subjecting this to the child, then it should be for a specific period and for a certain amount of radiation set. So to control that, use this timer. Yeah. So that is it. Somebody will wonder,
yes.
Sometimes this thing is placed incubator, so just drive in a car incubator. And then also the bassinet. Bassinet,